House SVG is a great site that you can get some freebies from. So I'm going to click on this one and add it to my cart. And I'm going to agree to the conditions and check out. I'm just going to pay with PayPal because it's free, so it's not going to cost anything. All right. Complete order. Okay, right here it says download files. So I click download. And now that's going to go to my downloads folder. So right here, I can see the zip folder. So I'm going to right click on it, extract all. So now the unzipped folder is right here. If I go in where it says SVG, this is the file I want to upload. So now when I go in my uploads, I say upload image, browse, go to my downloads folder, and again, I want to go in the folder that says SVG and just click on that. It's going to bring the whole thing in. That's it. If you wanted to change this design into a sticker, all you would have to do is select everything. Oh, actually, let's do this. If you wanted to change the color of these to pink, you could just change it to pink. And then I could even go to color sync and drag everything that is red into the pink. So now they're all pink. And maybe I want to make, whoops, hit undo. Okay. Maybe I want to make the gift, let's find that one, a light green. There we go. So now if I select everything and hit flatten, that will turn everything into a print then cut. That's all I have to do. Now I can hit make it. It's going to first send it to my home printer, and then it'll cut out around those little gnomes.